Irvine Harbour was one of the most important ports in Scotland, often referred to as the fourth port. Trading by sea from Irvine is recorded since the 16th century, and it's thought it could even date back to Roman times. Goods were brought overland by horses or carters. The carters played an important part in relaying goods to and from merchants' houses in Glasgow, which is only 26 miles from Irvine, making Irvine a really convenient port of call. Coal and fish such as herring were two of the most significant trading goods. Later, textiles from Paisley and Kilmarnock were shipped from Irvine's harbour. The port area has had recurrent problems with the channel silting up, which has reduced the size of the vessels having access. In times past, the harbour was a busy, bustling place with shipbuilding and shipping trades. Now it houses a number of quality eating and drinking venues. It has artist studios and the Harbour Arts Centre, which provides a cosy live entertainment theatre, an exhibition space, and a changing programme of workshops. A dedicated team of local volunteers keep the Irvine Beach Park area in pristine condition, providing a location which is worthy of a full-day visit. The Scottish Maritime Museum is situated at the Harbourside within the vast Lint House. Once you see the scale of the building, you can understand how it earned its title as the Cathedral of Engineering. The building was originally situated in Govan, and in 1990 it was meticulously rebuilt at Irvine's Harbourside. The original Lint House was established in Govan in 1872 to house the construction of ships' engines. Some of those engines built there, they were so vast that the scale would have reached the height of a two-storey house. The Scottish Maritime Museum is the start venue of the Maritime History Tour, which offers an insight into the trading history of the west coast of Scotland, and you are introduced to some significant characters from its past. At present, we've suspended all Tasting History Ayrshire Tours while we're heeding social distancing and isolation, and we hope that once we've returned to a nation of good health, that you will join us on one of our tours to learn about Ayrshire's fascinating history.